In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply coupons on JoyaGoo. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to joyagoo.com and you want to sign into your account. And then over here, head on to the very top right where you can see essentially your profile icon and click on My Account. In here, you want to see coupons over here. If you go to User Center, you're going to have to see your coupons over here, and then there's the available coupons. Now, of course, depending on your account, when you created it, etc., you're going to have a different amount of coupons. I have quite a few over here, as you can see, and to actually go ahead and start using these coupons, so to apply them, it actually gets applied automatically, okay? So there's not much you can do to get this applied. Now, to actually do this, you'll just have to simply buy, and they will get applied automatically in case you basically fulfill all the different requirements these coupons have over here on the website. So that's pretty much it. That's how to apply coupons on JoyaGoo. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.